Set to appear in for joining us. I'm Gary Liberatore.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And not too much rain last night, so luckily.
Yes, so we did see rain last night, but then it's all cleared out at this point now, and we'll be seeing nice weather today.
Moved on to the east.
Yes, it did. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. As we can see, the rain has moved on out. We are dry in our area, just seeing a little bit of cloud cover and some patchy fog this morning, but that will make way for sunshine and a really nice day today. But we are a little bit cooler today, so we're just in the 50s to start. We have 53 degrees in Earlville and Richfield Springs and 55 degrees in Whitesboro and in Inlet. So clouds make way to really nice sunshine today. It's going to be pleasant, breezy, and highs are going to be in the low 70s. We will be seeing widespread rain return back for tomorrow, though, along with cloudy skies. And then after tomorrow, scattered showers continue for the rest of the week. So for today, expect cloud cover making way for sunshine. Will be in the low 70s and it will be breezy. I will talk a little bit more about rain chances continuing this week coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Let's get right to it now in just hours.
Welcome back. Today we are going to be seeing sunshine once the clouds clear out here this morning, but then we'll be seeing rain return tomorrow. It is going to be widespread tomorrow along with cloudy skies with scattered showers and a few peaks of sunshine returning for the end of the week on Thursday and Friday. So today looks completely dry. It actually looks like a nice day. It's just going to feel a little bit cooler outside and be a little bit breezy. As we head into Wednesday, though, Wednesday morning the rain starts to come in and it will be widespread for almost the whole day on Wednesday, and it doesn't look to clear out until Wednesday after dark. We see scattered showers come back in for Thursday and Friday. But since we are seeing chances of rain this week, the allergy count is pretty low. The pollen count is low. Just at a medium today as we do see dry conditions with some sunshine, and then it's going to be low for Wednesday, Thursday, even Friday as well as we do see some rain showers in the region. Gary.
Hannah, thank you. If you travel south for any
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies and patchy fog this morning in higher elevations, but we will be seeing sunshine today. So let's take a look at downtown Utica. Cloudy skies and wet roads to start. We saw some rain last night, but looking at our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we can see that it's on its way out. No more rain in our area. We are dry at this point, and we will be dry for today. The clouds will also decrease up with the rain as well off into the northeast. We will be seeing a little bit of a breeze, though, but overall it's going to be pleasant with sunshine and highs reaching the low 70s. We do see rain return tomorrow, though, so here's our next system. This low pressure system to the west will approach us tomorrow and bring widespread rain in once again. It's a little bit cooler this morning because of that cold front. Temperatures are in the 50s, 57 degrees in Dalledgeville and Westmoreland, 54 degrees in Deansboro, and looking to the south, 55 degrees in Norwich and in Hamilton. Once again, we'll reach the low 70s today, and we will be breezy. We will be breezy for the rest of the week after this cold front has moved through, and the unsettled weather continues for tomorrow and for Thursday and Friday. We are going to be dry today. Today looks like our only completely dry day of the week. We see widespread rain return for almost the whole day tomorrow, and then scattered showers do linger for Thursday, Friday, and for Saturday this week. So if you did want to spend time outside, definitely do that today. If you want to do any yard work or anything like that, definitely get that done today. I would definitely say no altogether for tomorrow. It looks like it's going to be raining pretty heavily throughout the whole day. And then Thursday, Friday, maybe, as we do see just some scattered showers. So on our skycast today, those clouds will decrease and make way for some sunshine. At noon, we'll be in the lower to mid 60s and then in the low 70s for the high temperatures. So not as warm today, but it's still going to be nice and pleasant with sunshine and a little bit of a breeze. Clouds increase once again tonight, and that rain comes in pretty quickly early tomorrow morning. We will continue to see widespread rain for almost the entire day tomorrow at noon. Still raining near 60 degrees, and then it does decrease in the afternoon, but we'll still just be in the 60s. A little bit cooler tomorrow, still windy, cloudy skies, and that rain. So for today, expect clouds to make way to really nice sunshine today, pleasant conditions, low 70s, And then tonight we see clouds and the rain return once again. So tomorrow it is going to be raining for most of the morning and early afternoon. We will be seeing scattered showers return for Thursday, Friday, and for Saturday. And temperatures are just going to be in the upper 60s to low 70s, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. The time right now is 5:22 coming up by, and thank you for joining us for this half hour. I'm Gary Libertor.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And that fog looked pretty thick in that shot there.
Yes, so fog this morning, higher elevations, but we'll be seeing sunshine today. So,
Beautiful.
yes, so we'll dry out today after some rain last night.
Good for us.
So let's take a look now at the York Full Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As we can see, the rain has moved off into the northeast. We are dry in our area, and we will continue to be fully dry today. Clouds this morning making way to sunshine, but we are going to be a little bit cooler. We're just in the 50s this morning, 55 degrees in Whitesboro and Earlville, 57 degrees in Westmoreland. Highs today will reach the low 70s, and it will be a little bit breezy, but overall a really pleasant day with some sunshine. So make sure you enjoy today, because widespread rain does return tomorrow, and then we do see on and off rain chances throughout the rest of the week into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So for today, expect cloudy skies making way for sunshine. We'll be in the low 70s and will be breezy. I will talk a little bit more about the chance of rain for the rest of the week coming up, Gary.
Hey, Anna, thanks. Some breaking news into the News Channel 2 newsroom.
The Cooperstown Cam is brought to you by Utica National Insurance Group.
Welcome back. We're a little bit cooler this morning, 57 degrees being measured at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, and it is windy at this point with the wind coming in at 13 miles per hour. That's left over from the cold front. We are seeing clouds and patchy fog to start, but that will make way for sunshine today and will warm up to the low 70s. Rain does return tomorrow. It looks cloudy, and the rain looks to be widespread throughout most of the morning and early afternoon. And then we will just be seeing scattered showers for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So tomorrow we'll cool down a little bit. We'll warm up again on Thursday, and then we'll cool down for Friday, and we'll warm up again on Saturday. So upper 60s, low 70s for this week. And we will be seeing really nice, pleasant weather today with that rain returning tomorrow, and then it remains scattered showers for the rest of the week. Gary.
Anna, thanks. The Clinton-Kirkland Local Planning Committee.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies and patchy fog this morning, but we are going to be seeing sunshine today. So let's take a look at downtown Utica. Wet roadways, cloudy skies, patchy fog, but if we took a look at our York Full Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are all cleared out from the rain that did move through last night, and then we will be dry today with those clouds making way for sunshine. It is going to be a little bit breezy, but it will be pleasant as our highs reach the low 70s. I did want to point out, though, there is another low pressure system to our west that is coming in, and that will bring in widespread rain for tomorrow. So today looks like the driest day of the week, but if we take a look at our rainfall totals from last night, much needed rain did fall. Looks like heavier rain fell in Herkimer, 1.21 inches there. Springfield, 1.28 inches there. Westmoreland, just over an inch there. So we did see some much needed rain for the grass and for the plants last night. Our temperatures this morning are a little bit cooler because that cold front moved through last night. 55 degrees in Whitesboro and 54 degrees in Deansboro. Taking a look to the south, 57 degrees in Cooperstown. Highs today will reach the low 70s, and that cold front also did leave behind a little bit of a breeze for today, and through the rest of the week it will be breezy. Now our next chance of rain will be tomorrow. So today we look to be dry with nice sunshine, so definitely get anything you need to do outside done today. And then tomorrow we will be seeing widespread rain return for the morning and the early afternoon. Then this will turn into scattered showers for tomorrow evening, and scattered showers continue for the rest of the week on Thursday and on Friday. So once again, if you did want to do anything outside, if you needed to do any yard work or get anything done, definitely do that today, because tomorrow I would say no. The rain looks widespread and pretty heavy for most of the day. And then I would say Thursday, Friday, maybe, as we see scattered showers. So today on our Skycast, clouds make way for sunshine. We'll be in the low to mid 60s at noon, so a little bit on the cooler side. just in the low 70s for the high temperature, and it will be breezy. Then tonight we see those clouds make their way back in, along with those rain showers starting early tomorrow. It's already going to be widespread around 6 a.m. tomorrow. It will continue for most of the day. At noon, just near 60 degrees, still seeing that heavier rain, and then it turns into scattered showers for tomorrow evening. So for today, expect the clouds to make way for sunshine. We'll be seeing breezy conditions and in the low 70s. And then we drop to the 50s tonight, so those clouds and that rain move back in. Tomorrow's rain is going to be widespread for most of the day, along with cloudy skies. Then this turns to scattered showers for tomorrow evening and for the rest of the week on Thursday and Friday.
To forecast after all of yesterday's rain, we will see some sunshine today, right, Hannah?
Yes, clouds make way for sunshine. It's going to be a nice, pleasant day.
Good.
Yes. So let's take a look now at the York Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry now this morning. That rain has moved off into the northeast, and we are seeing cloud cover and fog, but that will make way for sunshine today. We're also a little bit cooler after the cold front, but we'll warm up to the low 70s. We do have 55 degrees in Whitesboro and 52 degrees in Richfield Springs. So it's going to be a pleasant day, a little bit breezy. Make sure you enjoy it because widespread rain returns tomorrow, and then we continue to see scattered showers throughout the rest of the week. So for today, expect cloud cover to make way for sunshine, breezy, and in the low 70s. I will talk a little bit more about rain chances this week coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. Let's get right to it now. In just hours, former President.
Welcome back. Today we are seeing clouds to start, but clouds make way to sunshine, so it is going to be sunny for today, and it is going to be nice. It will be dry today with rain returning tomorrow. So as the rain returns tomorrow, it looks to be widespread and cloudy for most of the day, with a few peaks of sunshine possible for the end of the week as we just see scattered showers lingering around for Thursday and Friday. So dry for all of today. Rain returns early tomorrow morning, and then it does turn widespread in the morning and early afternoon. It then turns to scattered showers for tomorrow evening, and then we continue to see scattered showers for Thursday and Friday. But seeing all this rain this week has kind of made the pollen count pretty low. We'll be at a medium pollen count today because we are going to be seeing dry conditions and sun, but then we'll be low again for tomorrow and Thursday. Gary.
Hannah, thanks. If you travel south for any reason, you'll...
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies and patchy fog this morning, but we will be seeing sunshine today. So let's take a look at downtown Utica. The clouds will make way for sunshine. It's going to be a pleasant day with a little bit of a breeze. So our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar is showing that the rain has moved off into the northeast here this morning. We are dry in our area, and we will be dry today. Those clouds look to move out as well, and then that cold front that moved through did leave behind a little bit of a breeze and cooler weather for today. I did also want to point out that our next system is just to the west. This will move in for tomorrow and bring widespread rain returning tomorrow. Last night we did get a lot of rain overnight. Nice soaking rain for the grass and for the plants. We had just about 1.28 inches in Springfield, 1.21 inches in Herkimer, over an inch in Westmoreland. So really nice soaking rain for the grass and the plants that we haven't seen for a while. So we did see some rain last night. We will see some more rain tomorrow, but today will be nice and dry. Our skywatchers have us a little bit cooler this morning in the 50s, 57 degrees in New Hartford and Clinton. And looking to the south, we have 53 degrees in Hartwick and 54 degrees in Evanston to start here this morning. We'll reach the low 70s today and be a little bit breezy once again. The breeze looks to stick around for the rest of this week. And it looks like, once again, widespread rain returns for most of the day tomorrow, and then it lingers as scattered showers for Thursday and for Friday. So if you do have anything to do outside, if you want to get any yard work done, definitely get that done today because we look dry today with some sunshine. No tomorrow because it is going to be raining for most of the morning and early afternoon, turning into scattered showers in the evening, and then maybe, I would say, for the rest of the week as scattered showers continue for Thursday and Friday. So on our sky Skycast here this morning. The clouds will move out. We'll reach the lower to mid 60s at noon with some sunshine, and then we'll be in the low 70s for the high temperature with breezy conditions. Tonight, we'll see those clouds make their way back in, along with some rain showers. We will be seeing widespread rain once again for tomorrow. At noon tomorrow, just near 60 degrees, and will remain in the 60s, turning into scattered showers tomorrow evening. So for today, cloudy skies with the clouds making way to some sunshine, breezy, and in the low 70s. And tonight we drop into the 50s and see the clouds and the rain move back in. So tomorrow it will be raining for most of the day with cloudy skies and a little bit cooler. We'll be in the lower 70s Thursday with scattered showers continuing, and scattered showers continue for Friday and Saturday, Gary.
So definitely get out there today and get some yard work done.
Yes, before the rain comes back in tomorrow.
Yeah, beautiful day today. Hannah, thanks. Be sure to like us on Facebook and thank us for this half hour. I'm Gary Libertor.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And what a great time of year for the kids out there as the near end of the school year comes. So a lot of folks looking to get outside, maybe some half days now.
Yes, so today it's going to be nice. We're seeing clouds this morning, but we'll be seeing sunshine in the afternoon. So
yeah, good for them.
Yes. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are completely dry now. As we can see, the heavy rain that moved through last night is off into the northeast. We will be seeing the clouds and patchy fog this morning make way to sunshine today. We are just a little bit cooler to start. 55 degrees in Whitesboro and 52 degrees in Richfield Springs. And today we'll reach the low 70s with that sunshine coming in for this afternoon. It's going to be a little bit breezy as well. We will be seeing widespread rain return tomorrow, so make sure you get outside and enjoy today because the rain returns tomorrow, and then scattered showers continue for Thursday and Friday. So for today, expect clouds making way to sunshine. It will be a little bit breezy with highs in the low 70s, and I will talk a little bit more about the chance of rain for the rest of the week coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Some breaking news into the News Channel 2 news.
The Cooperstown Cam is brought to you by Utica National Insurance Group.
Welcome back. We are starting out pretty chilly this morning compared to yesterday. We're at 57 degrees being measured at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. It's a little bit breezy as well with cloudy skies, but the clouds today make way for some sunshine and will reach the low 70s. Rain returns tomorrow, though. It is going to be cloudy and just in the 60s. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we'll be seeing scattered showers ranging in the upper 60s to low 70s. So today will be dry, so make sure you get anything done that you needed to do today outside. We'll be seeing sunshine, and then tomorrow the widespread rain comes in with on and off scattered showers for Thursday through Saturday. Gary.
Hannah, thank you. The Clinton Kirkland Local Plan.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies and patchy fog this morning, but today it will be nice with some sunshine. So let's take a look now at downtown Utica. As we can see, cloudy skies to start here. It is a little bit chilly left over from the cold front that did move through last night. But taking a look now at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, the rain is out this morning. It is off into the northeast, and we are dry in our area. We will be dry for today, and those clouds will move out as well. We'll be seeing sunshine, and we will be a little bit breezy, warming up to the low 70s. I did want to point out, though, that our next low pressure system is just to the west. This will move in and bring widespread rain for tomorrow. Our rainfall totals last night were nice enough to get the grass wet and to water the plants. Really well-needed rain fell last night. We had just about 1.28 inches in Springfield, over an inch in Westmoreland, and almost an inch in Cold Brook. So we did get some rain last night, which was well needed. Our sky watchers this morning have us a little bit chilly after that cold front moved through. We're just in the 50s, 54 degrees in Inlet and 55 degrees in Old Forge. And taking a look to the south, we have 55 degrees in Cooperstown, in Westford, West Lawrence, Morris, and in Milford. So in the 50s this morning, it looks like. We will reach the low 70s today, though, and we'll be seeing sunshine. So Nala this morning is super excited about that. She is planning to sunbathe in the window today with her neighbor Boomer. Boomer's super excited for that as well. tomorrow. We are just going to be seeing some cloudy skies and patchy fog this morning, so having a little bit of trouble seeing each other, but then they're saying hi for the rest of the day and the afternoon as we see sunshine and they sunbathe in the window together. Make sure you enjoy today because widespread rain returns tomorrow, and then this lingers as scattered showers for Thursday and for Friday. So if you did want to spend time outside doing any yard work or anything like that, definitely get that done today before that rain comes in tomorrow. And then I would say maybe just for Thursday, Friday, because we will be seeing on and off scattered showers throughout those days. So on our Skycast today, once again, clouds make way for sunshine. We'll be in the low to mid 60s at noon and in the low 70s for our high temperature with a little bit of a breeze. Then tonight we see the clouds make their way back in, and then rain comes in for tomorrow. It turns widespread tomorrow morning. At noon tomorrow we'll just be near 60 degrees, and we'll continue to be on the cooler side with windy conditions tomorrow as we see showers. So for today, clouds make way for sunshine, a little bit breezy, low 70s, and then we see clouds move back in tonight with widespread rain returning tomorrow. This does linger as scattered showers for the rest of the week, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, ranging in the upper 60s to low 70s, Gary.
So get out there again and enjoy today and get some yard work done, maybe play some tennis.
Yes, today is going to be probably the nicest day of the week as it is going to be dry.
Perfect. Hannah, thanks. The time right now is...
From where the news comes first, this is News Channel 2 at 7 a.m. on CW11.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us here on the CW11. I'm Gary Liberatore.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And get ready for some sunshine.
Yes, clouds will make way for sunshine today. It's going to be a nice day. We'll be in the low 70s.
But enjoy it, right?
Yes, because rain returns tomorrow. So let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. This morning we are starting out with dry conditions now. The rain has made its way out into the northeast, and we will be dry for today. We're just a little bit cooler. We're in the 50s, 53 degrees in Richfield Springs and Inlet, and 54 degrees in Earlville. So today, clouds will make way for sunshine, a little bit breezy. We'll reach the low 70s with widespread rain making a return for tomorrow, and then scattered showers continuing for Thursday and Friday. So for today, expect sunshine to come in. We'll reach the low 70s for the high temperature and be breezy. I will talk a little bit more about rain chances this week coming up, Gary.
Anna, thank you. Some breaking news into the newsroom. The Cortland County Sheriff's Office.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with clouds and some patchy fog this morning, but that will make way for sunshine today. So let's take a look at downtown Utica. As you can see, it's still cloudy here this morning, and we are seeing some patchy fog in higher elevations. But all of this does make way for sunshine this afternoon, and will warm up to the low 70s. Here's a look at our Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are all dried out now from the heavy rain that we did see last night, and the clouds are looking to make its way out with the rain pretty soon here. That cold front did leave behind just a little bit of a breeze today, and I did want to point out that our next low pressure system is to the west. That will bring in widespread rain for tomorrow. So it looks like our rainfall totals last night gave us some nice rain for the grass, the lawns, the plants. We had 1.28 inches in Springfield, over an inch in Westmoreland, and just under an inch in Coldbrook. So nice rain fell because we haven't really been seeing a lot of that heavy rain for a while. We are just a little bit cooler though this morning after the cold front moved through. We have 57 degrees in Mohawk, New Hartford, and in Clinton. And if we take a look to the south, we have 53 degrees in Hartwick and 54 degrees in Evanston. We'll reach the low 70s today, and we'll actually be seeing some sunshine and dry conditions. So today looks like the dry day of the week as we see widespread rain make a return for tomorrow. And this does linger as scattered showers for Thursday and for Friday. So if you do have anything to do outside, definitely get that done here today because we're seeing sunshine today and dry conditions. I would say no for any outdoor activities tomorrow, especially in the morning and early afternoon because it is going to be raining at that time. And then we turn into scattered showers tomorrow evening. Those scattered showers linger for Thursday and Friday, so I'll say maybe for those 2 days. So on our Skycast today, clouds make way for some sun around noon. We'll be in the low to mid 60s, and then We'll reach the low 70s for the high temperature with a little bit of a breeze. Tonight we'll fall into the 50s. We will be seeing clouds make their way back in, and then we will be seeing that widespread rain tomorrow morning and early afternoon. We'll just reach the low 60s tomorrow, and then we'll be seeing scattered showers linger tomorrow evening and into Thursday and Friday. So today, those clouds and the patchy fog make way to sunshine. We'll reach the low 70s and be a little bit breezy, and then we'll see clouds make their way back in tonight. Widespread rain comes back in for most of tomorrow. We will be seeing widespread rain in the morning and the early afternoon. Then it will turn to scattered showers. Those scattered showers linger for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. High temperatures will range in the upper 60s and lower 70s, and so far so good for Father's Day this weekend.
Here is meteorologist Hannah Evans, and Hannah, it is nice out there at this hour.
Yes, so we are starting to see some sun starting to peek out after the rain did move through last night. Here's a look at our rainfall totals from last night. We've received a good amount of rain for the grass and for the plants. We had just over an inch in Westmoreland, just under an inch in Coldbrook and in Camden, and then 1.28 inches in Springfield. And at this point, we're still seeing more clouds, but some sun starting to peek out. 64 degrees being measured at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, and it is a little bit breezy. So we will continue to see clouds decreasing today, with our next chance of rain returning tomorrow, and then we will continue to see on and off scattered showers for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So for the rest of today, expect sun to come in. We'll reach the low 70s and be breezy. I will talk a little bit more about our rain chances this week coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Brand new this afternoon.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are starting to see a few peaks of sunshine, and it is warming up. We're now in the 60s. So let's take a look now at downtown Utica. As we can see, a few breaks in those clouds for some sunshine at this hour. The clouds will continue to decrease throughout this afternoon for sunny skies, and we'll reach right near 70 degrees for the high temperature. We are all dried out on our Yorkville Battery. Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar from the rain that we did see overnight. We are just seeing still a few extra clouds that will make way for some sunshine today, and it is a little bit breezy coming out of the west and still a bit chilly. I did want to point out that this low pressure system from our west is our next system that will move in, and it will bring more widespread rain for tomorrow. So our sky watchers have us mostly in the 60s. We have 66 degrees in Mohawk, 63 degrees in Ilion, and 68 degrees in Clinton. So it is warming up a little bit more this afternoon, but we're definitely a little bit cooler today after that cold front moved through yesterday. Highs are going to be near and in the low 70s. But anyway, Nala and her neighbor Boomer this afternoon are super excited that we're seeing some sunshine again and that we're a little bit warmer. We'll reach the low 70s, so they are excited to sunbathe together through the window, as we will continue to see sunshine for the rest of the day, along with breezy conditions. It remains breezy for the rest of the week as well, so it does remain unsettled starting tomorrow and through the end of the week, so that breeze will stick around, and it looks like widespread rain comes back in tomorrow from our next low pressure system. It does turn into scattered showers tomorrow evening, and then those scattered showers stick around for the end of the week. So if you did have to do anything outside, definitely get that done today. Today looks like our dry day of the week with some sun, because tomorrow I would say no, as we are going to be seeing widespread rain for most of the day, and then I would say maybe for Thursday, Friday, because that's when we will see on and off scattered showers, but still remaining unsettled. So for the rest of this afternoon, clouds will continue to decrease. We'll reach the low 70s and be a little bit breezy. And then tonight we will be seeing clouds moving back in as our next low pressure system approaches. It brings widespread rain to the region for most of the day tomorrow, and will be on the cooler side, just in the low to mid 60s, still breezy. So for today, expect breezy conditions, low 70s. We will be seeing sunny skies definitely by later this afternoon. afternoon and evening. And then tonight we will see an increase in clouds as we fall into the 50s. That widespread rain makes a return for tomorrow, especially the morning and early afternoon, then turns into scattered showers tomorrow evening. Scattered showers continue for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Gary.
Anna, thank you. That terrifying bridge collapse hour. Once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking dry weather for today after some heavy rain did move through last night, and then we will be seeing some sunshine move in. But last night, let's take a look at our rainfall totals. Much needed rain did fall for the grass and the plants. We got 1.28 inches in Springfield, just under an inch in Cold Brook and in Camden, and 1.26 inches in Lawrence. So we did see some much needed rain last night. We are all dried out now, and we are a little bit cooler today after that cold front moved through. Just 64 degrees being measured at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, and it is breezy. We are still seeing more clouds than sun, but the sun is really starting to peak out here, and we will continue to see the clouds decrease this afternoon. We will be seeing rain return tomorrow, though. Widespread rain comes back in tomorrow, with scattered showers continuing for the rest of the week, Thursday and Friday. So for the rest of today, expect the clouds to continue to decrease. We'll reach the low 70s and be breezy. I will talk a little bit more about the chance of rain for the rest of the week coming up, Gary.
Anna, thanks. Fans celebrated after the
WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are still seeing more clouds than sun, but the clouds will continue to decrease for sunshine later. So let's take a look now at downtown Utica. As we can see, still a little bit extra cloud cover, but we are seeing some sun starting to peek out, and we are fully dried out at this hour. Here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The rain from last night all cleared out today. Still just seeing some lingering clouds. We are also seeing a lingering breeze today. I did want to point out that today is going to be the driest day of the week because we do see that our next low pressure system approaching from the west for tomorrow. That will bring widespread rain back into the region. We're warming up a little bit. Our sky watchers have us in the 60s, but we're still much cooler than yesterday because a cold front moved through. Just 66 degrees in Mohawk, 63 degrees in Ilion, and 68 degrees in Clinton. And we are still seeing breezy conditions as well. The breeze will stick around through the end of the week, as after today it does look to remain unsettled. With that low pressure system approaching tomorrow, we will be seeing widespread rain for the morning and early afternoon. It will turn to scattered showers in the evening. The scattered showers look to stick around for Thursday, Friday, even Saturday a little bit. So if you did want to do anything outside, get any yard work done, go for a walk or run, definitely do that today, because I would say no for tomorrow, and then just maybe for Thursday and Friday as we see those scattered showers stick around. For the rest of this afternoon, clouds will continue to decrease. We'll reach the low 70s for some sunshine by this evening. It is still going to be breezy. Then tonight, clouds will increase once again, and we will be seeing our next low pressure system approach, bringing widespread rain for tomorrow morning and early afternoon. It's going to remain on the cooler side tomorrow, just in the low to mid 60s. Scattered showers continue in the evening. So for the rest of today, expect breezy conditions. Expect to reach right near the 70s, even in the low 70s. We are going to be seeing those clouds continue to decrease, and then they will increase again tonight. Tomorrow, widespread rain looks to come in the morning and early afternoon. Scattered showers for the evening. Scattered showers stick around for Thursday, Friday, and for Saturday, with highs in the upper 60s to low 70s. Gary.
Anna, thank you. New details this noon on a murder case.
Absolutely.
Let's get you over to the Weather Center and Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Getting a soaking rain last night. We do have more rain chances in the forecast looking ahead, but I did want to at least touch upon what we saw last night. A lot of places picking up an inch of rain as we take a look at the rainfall totals for New York State Mesonet. This was a widespread soaking rain. Again, the average is about an inch across the area. It's dry and it's a very pleasant evening across central New York if you're looking to get out and enjoy it. This is going to be a great evening to do that. We're expecting dry conditions and very comfortable outside. Our current temperature is 70 degrees. We have low humidity, a light breeze, and partly sunny skies. Increasing clouds tonight as the next weather system arrives. This will be bringing us rain on Flag Day. Looking at clouds and showers throughout the day tomorrow, and the weather stays unsettled. We have several chances for rain As we look ahead, we'll be spelling it out in just a bit. Partly sunny skies this evening. Enjoy it. It's going to be a lovely evening. And tracking our next chance of rain. Look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Continuing coverage of the future of Vernon Downs. The Senate.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking more rain ahead, but we will get a nice break here this evening, at least a chance to get outside and enjoy it before the weather turns. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And again, things are looking dry across our area. We look to the west, and we can see the leading edge of rain starting to work into Buffalo. That will be our weather as we head into tomorrow. Again, this will be an area of low pressure working its way in. A lovely evening. We've got the sunshine, comfortable temperatures. This is a live look in downtown Utica. Again, it is going to be a very pleasant evening across central New York. Let's break down the chance for rain as we look ahead. It's dry tonight. After midnight and towards daybreak, our chance of rain starts to go up. Rain throughout most of the day tomorrow, or at least the chance of rain, especially in the late morning to early afternoon. And I think by the late afternoon and early evening, it's going to become a lot more scattered. We also could see a rumble of thunder tomorrow as well. Heading into Thursday, the rain chances go down, but they're not zero. We could see a few isolated showers here Thursday afternoon. With that being said, with the rain that we had last night, as the grass continues to grow, if you do have to make a cut, I think your best bet is going to be for Thursday, with temperatures, again, climbing into the 70s. We're expecting dry weather. Here's a look at your temperature trend. Looking at cooler weather as we head into the middle of the week. The coolest day is tomorrow, with highs only in the mid-60s. That's about 5 to 10 degrees below average. On Friday and Saturday, again, in the 60s too. We'll be in the upper 60s both days, and then temperatures start to warm up as we look ahead to Sunday and Monday. Temperatures this evening in the upper 60s. Whitesboro 69 degrees, Dolgeville 70, Inlet 65. Across Southern Valleys, Norwich 68, Cooperstown 70, and Skinevus with 67. Low pressure approaches from the west. You can see this big swirl in the atmosphere. That's the center of low pressure. This is going to travel basically due east, and it's a slow mover, which means it will be driving our weather tomorrow as well as early Thursday. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight, looking at increasing clouds. Overnight lows drop down into the 50s. Some rain could be around first thing tomorrow morning. Widespread rain expected throughout tomorrow afternoon. Again, some rumbles of thunder are possible. Breaks in the rain heading into late Wednesday. Generally cloudy Wednesday nights. And Thursday, we start out cloudy. We should see some breaks of sunshine. Thursday's high temperature climbs into the 70s. Picking up some rain tomorrow, thinking less than what we had last night. Somewhere between about a quarter to a half an inch of rain is expected both tomorrow and tomorrow night. Rain develops late tonight, low of 54. Tomorrow, looking at widespread showers, temperatures in the mid-60s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Thursday, pleasant, temperatures in the low 70s. We're looking at more scattered showers on Friday and Saturday. The weather is trending unsettled for the weekend. It looks like we'll be dealing with rain showers both Saturday as well as Father's Day. But again, we do need the rainfall. We'll have more opportunities ahead.
You know me. I'm always one to say, no, rain, I don't want rain. We do need the rainfall because I'm not a green thumb. I planted a plant in a outdoor pot.
Yeah.
And I broke it apart, and I feel like I ripped the roots. So I'm hoping the rain can revive what I did wrong.
Good luck.
Good luck to me, and thank you for the rain because we do need it.
All right, thanks, Bill.
Coming up here on the Live at 5 News Hour, the story of a local artist who is tracking some warmer temperatures for us.
Yeah, we've got a very pleasant weather. If you're looking to get out and have some ice cream this evening, you can take your time eating it. It's going to be pleasant, warm enough for it, but not so warm that you've got to scarf it down. We're looking at temperatures in the low 70s here, and I encourage you to get out and enjoy this evening because looking ahead, I don't expect very many pleasant evenings here this week. We've got some rain in the forecast. If you are taking the dog out for a walk, again, it's going to be a lovely evening. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s. with a mix of sunshine and clouds, low humidity, and a light breeze. Tonight's featured dog is Spike from Mohawk. If you want to be part of this, head to Facebook. That's where you can go to submit photos that are part of this segment. Just search for Bill's Buddies. The forecast as we head into this evening, again, is looking dry. Again, looking quiet on the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Temperatures remain in the 60s under partly cloudy skies. We're expecting some rain to return. As we head into tomorrow, we're tracking the timing of that and how much rain we can expect. And that's coming up. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. Now to the story of one of the Red Cap ambassadors.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A pleasant evening ahead, but the weather is going to change. Tomorrow, back to clouds and some showers. Some much-needed rain will be back in the forecast. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. If you're heading out this evening, it looks lovely, pleasant, comfortable, low humidity, some sunshine. We look to the west, and this is the leading edge of the change in our weather. Some rain approaching Buffalo. That will be in our region as we head into early tomorrow morning. This is a live look in Oneonta. Again, a mix of sunshine and clouds, and the visibility is great. We've got great air quality today. We're not expecting any changes in this over the next couple of days, but we'll keep track of this because the wildfires to the north are still continuing. And so as long as that is the case, we're going to have to continue to keep an eye on things. But again, at least for the short term, things look to be okay in our area. If you're going out and doing some gardening over the next couple of days, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, those days look wet. But this evening looks good, as well as Thursday. You don't have to water very much because we do have rain in the forecast here over the next couple of days. And that rain's going to keep pollen levels low. Looking at the allergy report, Thursday we get back to medium levels of pollen, but in overall, the rain that we've been getting has been knocking the levels down. We've had a lot of allergies over the past several weeks, but it does look like we are heading in a different direction where it's not going to be as much of an issue. Mohawk 69 degrees, Old Forge 64, Barneveld 66. Mike in New Hartford checking in with 70, West Leiden 65. Across Southern Valleys, Whitesboro 68, Edmonston 69, West Lawrence 69, and Mark in Milford checking in with 66 degrees. Low pressure approaching from the west. You can see the center of it located right here. We'll draw the letter L for the center of that. And you can see the swirl of winds around it circulating counterclockwise. This is heading east, and this will be our weather as we head into the next day and a half. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight, increasing clouds. Overnight lows drop into the 50s. We'll start out tomorrow morning with cloudy skies. Some showers will be arriving during the late morning to early afternoon. You can't rule out a rumble of thunder, but that should be the exception rather than the rule. It's a cool day with temperatures in the mid-60s. Tomorrow night, cloudy skies. Looking at mostly cloudy skies here for Thursday, but it does look dry with some opportunities for sunshine later in the day. Temperatures warmer because, again, it does look dry. Temperatures in the low 70s. Rain develops very late tonight, low temperature of 54. Tomorrow, an unsettled day, clouds, widespread showers, a rumble of thunder, and a cool day with a high of 66. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Partly sunny Thursday, 73. More showers returning on Friday as well as Saturday. The weather has changed for the weekend. It does look wet both Saturday and Sunday, but Sunday does look to be warmer than Saturday. Highs in the mid-70s. Showers Monday, 75, and still the chance of a shower looking ahead to next Tuesday with highs in the upper 70s. We'll be right back.
Now for a first look at the forecast, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
A lovely evening across central New York. We are tracking changes in the weather, though, for tomorrow. A live look outside. Things are looking dry. If you're looking to get out and enjoy a lovely evening, it will stay dry. Rain from last night. We definitely got a decent soaker as we expected. About an inch of rain fell for most of central New York, and this was a region-wide heavy rainfall. Totals ranged from 3/4 of an inch to 1.25 inches across the area. We do expect more rain tomorrow. Current temperature is 70 degrees, low humidity. Again, it's very comfortable. Enjoy it this evening. Increasing clouds tonight. Rain returns tomorrow. We have several chances of rain as we look ahead. Partly sunny skies this evening. Temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. Again, we're tracking the timing of the rain and how much more we can expect. And that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Happening now.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A lovely evening ahead, but we're tracking rain as we head into tomorrow. Let's take a look outside. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. If you're heading out this evening, again, it's looking nice to the west. We can see some rain approaching western New York, and this is going to be our weather maker as we head into the day tomorrow. Until we get there, though, again, it's going to be nice. Here's a live look outside in downtown Utica with partly sunny skies, low humidity, and very comfortable temperatures. Enjoy it. The air quality is very good today, and it stays good for the foreseeable future. We're going to have to continue to pay attention to this and take this day by day because the wildfires are still continuing to the north. Just the winds right now are keeping the smoke to the north. Should anything change, we will let you know ahead of time how that would be affecting our air quality and when things will be changing. But again, for the foreseeable future, we are in good shape. Rain returns tomorrow, widespread. An isolated shower for Thursday, widespread rain Friday, and more showers on Saturday. So if you're looking to cut the lawn, I think the best day to do that would be on Thursday, and I would recommend doing it sooner than later because we're getting into this unsettled pattern here, and I think we're going to have several more chances for rain ahead. Our MoCast, by the way, is brought to you by Clinton Tractor. Temperatures are very pleasant this evening. Barneveld is 66 degrees, Yorkville 70. Across the southern valleys, Paynes Hollow 72, Westford, Dave checking in with 67 degrees, and Lyman in Eaton, that's in Madison County, with 72. Low pressure approaching from the west. You can see this big swirl in the atmosphere. The center of the low pressure is right here. The system's going to travel to the east, and that's our weather that we'll be dealing with as we head into the day tomorrow. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, increasing clouds tonight. Overnight lows drop down into the 50s. We'll start out Wednesday morning with cloudy skies. Rain returns during the morning time. Could be a little bit earlier than Skycast is suggesting here, too. So you want to keep the umbrella handy throughout Wednesday. If you have any plans of being outdoors, again, the umbrella coming in handy. Could also see a rumble of thunder, too, but I think that's the exception rather than the rule. It's a cool day. Temperatures in the mid-60s. Cloudy skies tomorrow night. A couple of lingering showers. Thursday, we start out the day with mostly cloudy skies. I do expect to see at least a few breaks of sunshine Thursday afternoon. Temperatures climb into the low to mid-70s. Additional rain tomorrow. We're in the category of a quarter to a half an inch of rain tomorrow, and then we'll add similar amounts to that tomorrow night, putting totals about a half an inch to an inch of rain. So we're continuing to get some beneficial rain across the area. Tonight, rain develops very late, a low of 54. Tomorrow, close to a washout, not raining the entire day, but more than half of it, a high of 66. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. 73 on Thursday. We'll get a chance to see some sunshine. Showers return Friday and Saturday. Temperatures in the upper 60s. Downgraded Sunday. It does look like some showers will be around on Father's Day, 76. Rain showers, I know, I'm sorry, Jay. Temperatures in the 70s. Looking ahead to Monday and Tuesday.
Doesn't matter as long as family's all around. That's all that matters.
Yeah.
Thanks,
All right.
Bill.
Thanks, Bill. Still to come on News Channel 2 at 6. Utica University. We bring in Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. All right, we are smelling what smells like a campfire because it's obviously somebody up here is having a campfire up on Smith Hill. But we've had good quality air for quite a bit now.
Yeah, and I think we will for the next couple of days with rain in the forecast tomorrow. However, I'm looking at the long-range weather patterns. The wildfire smoke, the wildfires are still going. We might be dealing with this again. We'll kind of dive into this a little bit later in the newscast as to what I'm thinking. Let's take a look at the radar this evening. It is looking dry. What a lovely day today. Nice to see the sunshine after getting some much-needed rain. We will be getting more rain tomorrow. Not going to be quite as heavy as what we saw last night, but still, I think we're looking at widespread steady rain tomorrow afternoon. Our current temperature is 63 degrees, the northeast wind at 5 miles an hour. Tonight, you can leave the windows open, unless your neighbors are making a campfire. Temperatures will drop down into the mid-50s. We are looking at comfortable conditions. Again, we are tracking some much-needed rain as we get into tomorrow, and also looking ahead towards the weekend and forecasts coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Decision 2020.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening, a lovely night across central New York. We're looking at dry conditions on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. When we look to the west, we have a few sprinkles that are approaching western New York. This is the beginning of our weather maker that will be arriving tomorrow. That will likely bring us widespread rain for a good portion of the day, along with some cooler temperatures. A time lapse of Cooperstown from our Utica National Tower camera. Some breaks of sunshine throughout the afternoon. It's been a generally pleasant day, and you can see the flag not moving around very much. Winds have been generally light throughout the evening time and into tonight. As we track our next rainmaker, again, that arrives tomorrow, bringing widespread rain and isolated showers possible Thursday, widespread showers Friday, and then scattered showers Saturday. So we're going to be in an unsettled pattern here as we look ahead, and a lot of that has to do with the nature of the next weather maker. Looking to cut to the lawn, I think Thursday is going to be your best bet. Again, dealing with more of a steadier rain on Wednesday as well as Friday, and I think it's going to take a little while for the grass to dry out. So you look at the radar and satellite image, it's to the west that we go where we find an area of low pressure. This area of low pressure is causing winds to spin counterclockwise, so we have a south wind on the right side, but then also a northwest wind on the left side. So as this system moves in, winds turn into the south tonight and tomorrow, and then as the system rolls through, the winds will change direction, which becomes more important when it comes to tracking some smoke. I'll have more on that in just a second. Our skycast tonight, looking at mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures dropped down into the 50s. Some light rain is expected tomorrow morning. I think skycast is a little slow bringing this in. I think 7 o'clock in the morning, we could have a few showers around. A steadier rain during the late morning to early afternoon, and it looks to be a cool day with temperatures only in the mid-60s. Scattered showers continue into tomorrow night. Thursday starts out mostly cloudy. We'll see some breaks of sunshine in the afternoon. This is when winds turn into the northwest as we head into Thursday night and Friday. Rainfall totals, we pick up another quarter to maybe half an inch of rain throughout the day tomorrow and into tomorrow night. As that low departs, we have to keep an eye on the wind direction because wildfires are still burning to the north, and there are some early signs that maybe Friday, maybe Saturday, we might get into a north wind, which could bring some late smoke back to our area. So again, something we'll be keeping an eye on throughout the course of this week. Rain tonight develops very late, low 54. Tomorrow, clouds, showers, temperatures in the mid-60s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Again, tracking unsettled weather here for most of the week. Thursday looks dry, but Friday and Saturday more showers. Showers Father's Day as well as Monday.
Come on.
And Tuesday. It's not going to rain the whole time. I know. Have your Father's Day plans indoors.
I want to barbecue outside. Come on, man.
Well, you can still barbecue in the rain.
Yeah, I would have to do that, wouldn't I? All right, thanks, Bill. Coming up next, the latest on what Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. We're talking air quality a little bit because while things are good now, you're saying we got to keep an eye on things in the coming days.
Yeah, the wildfires that we saw that brought all this smoke last week, well, they're still going on. Sure. And so we're looking ahead here. Tomorrow, the next couple of days, no air quality issues, but the wind direction is favorable for Friday. So if these fires are still going on, we may have to keep an eye on things for later this week. And again, something to keep in mind for later this week. Let's take a look at what's going on outside now. It's turning out to be a lovely night. In fact, Starlink satellites just flew by a few minutes ago. They launched yesterday.
So cool.
Wish we could have given you more a heads up on that, but it does look like they'll be in the sky for the next couple of nights. Unfortunately, visibility not great. It is great out there this evening, though, looking at dry conditions, partly cloudy skies. Temperatures are in the 50s here. Current temperature is 57 degrees, and we'll remain on the comfortable side overnight, and you can leave the windows open as temperatures drop down into the low to mid 50s. Some rain returns tomorrow. We're tracking the timing of that and how that affects the morning and evening commute, and that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Decision 2023.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking a lovely evening here in Central New York. This is a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some rain showers are approaching from the west. A lot of this weather will be arriving here as we head into early tomorrow morning, bringing us some rain. Some much needed rain still, even though we had a decent amount last night. We could use more. This is a time lapse of the late afternoon through evening from our Utica National Tower Cam over in Cooperstown. You can see the flag not moving very much, had very light winds today, and then partly cloudy skies throughout this evening, and things looking pretty nice out there. Going to be a different day tomorrow. We're looking at widespread rain. Temperatures will be cooler as well. Thursday, an isolated shower. Widespread rain Friday, and more scattered showers as we look ahead to Saturday. So if you need to cut the lawn, you didn't get a chance to do that yet, it looks like Thursday is going to be the best day to do that. Again, sandwiched between widespread rainfall on Wednesday and Friday. Our MoCast is brought to you by Clinton Tractor. To the west we go. We have an area of low pressure, and this center of low pressure is where we find this broad circulation. South wind ahead of it, a north wind in the wake of this, and this is moving in from the west, and again, it arrives as we head into tomorrow. Increasing clouds tonight, overnight lows in the 50s, tracking some rain on Wednesday. Steadiest in the late morning to early afternoon. Temperatures on the cool side, only in the 60s throughout the day. The rain also producing a few rumbles of thunder at times later in the day. The clouds linger around tomorrow night, a few scattered showers. And then Thursday, we start out the day with cloudy skies. We should see some sunshine. Winds turn into the west-northwest beginning Thursday afternoon. And it's going to allow for clearing skies and temperatures in the 70s. Rainfall tomorrow looks to be about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain, less than what we saw last night. I'm looking ahead here, and I'm seeing something that we'll be keeping an eye on. We've got the wildfires that are still going on to the north of us, the same ones that brought us smoke last week. The weather patterns on Friday and into early Saturday do favor some of that smoke dropping south. Not sure how this will be impacting us just yet, but that's something that we'll be keeping an eye on over the next couple of days. Rain late tonight, low of 54. Showers here throughout the day tomorrow, cool. Highs in the mid-60s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunshine Thursday, 73. Friday, Saturday, showers. Temperatures in the upper 60s. Showers on Father's Day, Monday, Tuesday. Does get a little bit warmer, though, with temperatures in the mid-70s.
Which is where we should be about now.
That's
Starting
right.
to push 80 pretty soon.
Yeah,
right?
we're getting there. A couple more weeks. Yeah.
All right, thanks, Bill. Coming up next, the latest.